It's been a habit for everyone. As soon as they don't know what to do, they get home from work or school to open their phone and start scrolling. It's this habit that has been building up for years and years, which has resulted in less productivity, less drive to do those hard tasks, and our dopamine being fried, brain rot being a thing. As I was struggling with this years ago, I've developed this short routine to change this habit as soon as I got home, as soon as I didn't know what to do, to start this new habit, which consists of real dopamine that allowed me to get a lot more productive, get a lot more done, have a lot more drive to do those hard tasks. This is what I did for just 5 minutes a day to get back the stolen attention, to get back all the time that I could have spent doing other things, to get back my dopamine and use it for real things instead. The first thing I did was step outside, whether it's pouring rain, whether it's freezing cold, whether it's blazing hot outside. I would make an effort just for 1, 2 minutes to step outside and get the natural or more natural air, the sunlight, the sunset, the darkness, the clouds, whatever it is, being outside. We've been designed to go outside, to be outside, to live outside for thousands of years. So it's resetting myself to be in that normal state that we're supposed to be in. Go a step further by going on a walk sometime. These things aren't the most exciting to do, but it shouldn't be like that because our dopamine, our attention is so artificial. Something like going outside should be an interesting part of our day, a fun thing to do. It also gives you more time to just think. I remember I used to want to go on my phone just so I can avoid those uncomfortable thoughts like, oh, is this really what I should be doing right now? Oh, I feel like I could be doing this instead. Oh, what about that homework? What about this? I could be working right now. Whatever the case is. The next thing that I think is important is posture. Fixing your posture while you're outside or sitting down. We also weren't supposed to be bent down with our necks down, looking at our phone, looking at a small little screen for hours and hours on end. So, getting the natural light, the natural air, and then fixing how our body is supposed to act, supposed to be. So, take another minute to hold a good posture and also practice breathing in and out deeply with that posture. So, for the last minute or two that you have in this 5 minute routine, I want you to spend it on reading something. I understand that it's extremely boring. I used to hate reading growing up and still find it kind of boring. I'd rather watch a video, I'd rather see what's going on. But that's the problem. We'd rather watch a video on our phone about this. And when that happens, we watch multiple videos. We do more than we tell ourselves that we will because we're blocking the thoughts, we're distracting ourselves from what we wanted to do. And it's easy to be there, it's comfortable to just sit on your phone. So, reading trains your brain to think more consciously, to live more purposefully. And after you're outside, you have that posture and you read for 1 or 2 minutes. Doing this will make you want to do it even more, even longer 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. You'd want to do these things more the more you do them. And the more you do this, the less you'd want to scroll on your phone because you realize how clearer you feel doing this routine. Because you're able to think more consciously, you understand this would just be a waste of time if I would go on my phone right now. There's something else I can do. Wait, I actually thought of a new idea that I can do instead of going on my phone in the evenings. I can work on this chore. I can start working on this project. You think of other things and ideas to do without having to rely on more videos, more content, more stuff to consume on ChatGPT to ask ideas. You start living a lot more free. If you're serious about lowering your screen time and you want a clear pathway to follow with step-by-step guidance, apply in the link in the description to my program. Start this routine today and take action now. That is the next step you can do. Don't click off and forget about me. I'll see you.